Hello guys, welcome back to Ecom Learner. So today we're going to discuss what is the acceleration. First of all, we try to understand the definition of it, and then we try to find out the actual application, and then simply we can see where we can use that acceleration concept in real application or real life. Okay, so let's get started with the very first one. What is the actual definition of the acceleration? Then definition is acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity within given time duration. Okay, this is the definition. So let me explain you guys what is exactly meaning of it. So I just take one example here. Okay, so for example, we have one object. We can take that object as a car. Okay, car is already in motion state. It is already running. So for example, initially car is running with 10 kilometer per hour speed, and then it will reach at a point B. Point A is the initial point, point B is the final point, and the velocity at the final point, that is 20 kilometer per hour. And consider that the time taken from reach A point to B is 1 hour. Okay, this is the scenario. So if I wanted to check what is your speed with respect to time, you wanted to simply check your speed with respect to time in this all duration. Okay, if you think in that way, if you think in form of velocity might change, for example at 5 minutes from start, then 10 minutes at start, then 15 minutes from start. Okay, and it may changes with respect to time. But if you want to calculate the aggregate velocity with respect to time, then this acceleration come in picture. Okay, so how you can find out the acceleration in this particular scenario? Okay, so I just convert this formula into I just convert this concept into formula. Okay, so acceleration nothing but change or rate of change in speed or in velocity. Okay, so I just convert this definition to formula. If I say rate is always with respect to time, and change of velocity, that mean your final velocity minus initial velocity, where v is your final velocity and u is your initial velocity. Okay, and t is time. And acceleration always denoted by this small a. We also can say it at this. So what is acceleration with nothing but change of time with respect to t. And what is unit of it? Velocity. Unit of velocity is meter per second and upon second. The unit is meter per second square. That is all about the acceleration. I'll just repeat it one more time. What is the definition? Definition is nothing but rate of change of velocity within given time. Example, I have taken a car as a one object which is traveling from point A to point B. The actual time taken to reach from point A to B is 1 hour. 1 hour, and the distance between actually initial velocity is 10 kilometer, final velocity is 20 kilometer. Now if I want to find out the acceleration for this, is nothing but 20 minus 10 upon 1, that is a is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, again if I wanted to convert this complete formula, a complete definition in the formula, so we convert it here. We just simply do some modification to completely press it here. We compress it here, and then we got here formula as well. So in this, what we have seen, definition, real-time example with some formula creation and unit. Okay, that is it then. This is basic concept for acceleration. If you want to check the standard difference between speed, velocity or distance, displacement, everything, I have taken those session somewhere in the maybe in link, in the actual link I will provide that in the description. But don't forget to check out that one, because the study always lies in linear way. The first thing you should learn about the difference, what is distance and displacement, difference between them, then speed and velocity, difference between them, and then the acceleration. This is step 1, step 2 and step 3. Okay, that every session I have taken on all of them, so please go and check out. So that is it. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day ahead. Bye.